Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily block homepage and suggested videos on YouTube. So right now when you go on YouTube and you see there's plenty of videos here, and I don't know, I see for example this one.
Hey guys.
You see all the suggested videos here that they want you to click on, and it's really distracting that you can't focus on really on your work. Let's say that you want to search some problem and right now bang, you're going to watch 2 hours of YouTube videos. I know the drill. So what you want to do, and this will blow your mind, write in Google dftube.com or just dftube, and you will find here Chrome, Google extension distraction free for YouTube, and just click add to Chrome, add an extension, and right away we add here. So right now when I'm going to F5 this side, reload it, you can see everything. But if I go to the FTube and I'll click options, let's say what do we want to hide. So there is a trending tab and we want to hide it. Then subscription bar, leave it, but hide feed, and also it will hide notifications and everything. That's really good. And what I recommend is also hide comments. And you can also disable playlist if you want. So now when like nothing is distracting me, and this is really important. So what you want to do is just write on here, I don't know, Gary V. And right now there is a video and you don't see anything. I see his description, but I don't see anything else. And it's amazing. This is really good, really good. So this is how you can do it, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya.